So Becca, what we got here?
So for next year, we are introducing our new 18-volt battery water pump. So these are a new slimline design, so they're perfect for IBC tanks, and they are battery powered. So they're powered by one 18-volt power for all battery. They are perfect for allotments, for gardens, anywhere without a direct water supply. And what's new about them this year is they also include an automatic timer. So you pop your charged battery in, set it away, and you can choose to commence irrigation for 5, 10 or 15 minutes every 12, 24 or 48 hours. So it's perfect if you need kind of regular irrigation on a schedule, but you might not always be at the allotment or in your garden if you're away for the day or whatever it might be. This will do it for you automatically. So it's the easiest, most convenient way to kind of keep on top of your garden, your crops and your harvests.
So what comes in the pack? You get this pump here. What's this mechanism?
So that is your pump itself. So that is
Right.
your water butt pump, which comes with a control valve, and it's a telescopic pull as well. So if your IBC tank's quite deep, it can go quite far down into a water butt or an IBC tank. It also comes with your unit here, which is where you put your battery, and you can switch it on and off and put your automatic timer on as well. And that can hook up to a sprinkler, a hose sprayer,
Yeah.
or it can hook up to a micro drip system.
And how do we recharge the battery?
You get a battery and charger.
Okay.
Probably worth mentioning as well, the 18-volt Power for All system is one of Europe's largest cross-brand battery systems. So you can use it in all of your Gardena tools, but you can also use it in Flymo tools and other large household and gardening brands.
Excellent. Thanks.